Hello everyone, I am Riazuddin. Today I am going to present my topic Applications of Function in Computer Science. What is function? A function is a rule that takes an input and gives an output. In mathematics, each input has exactly one output. For example, if we have function of x equals x squared, then if we input 2, the output will be 4. This idea is very important because it helps us process data in a clear and structured way. Functions are very important in computer science. They help us organize logic into small parts. They also allow us to reuse code, so we don't need to write the same thing again. Functions reduce complexity and make programs easier to understand and debug. In mathematics, a function takes an input and gives exactly one output. It is mainly a theoretical concept. In programming, a function also takes input and returns output, but it is used in real applications like coding. For example, in programming, we can write a function like squares. So, programming functions are actually inspired by mathematical functions, but they are more flexible and can perform many tasks. In programming, functions are used in almost every language, such as C, C++, Java, and Python. They help us avoid repeating the same code again and again. For example, we can create a function to add two numbers and use it multiple times. This makes programs more modular, easier to manage, and easier to debug. In databases, functions are used to search, sort, and filter data efficiently. For example, when we search something, functions help process the results. In artificial intelligence, functions are even more important. They are used to make prediction and decisions. For example, video recommendations, search engine ranking, and spam detection all depend on mathematical functions. In cryptography, functions are used to secure data. One way functions are used to protect passwords. When we enter a password, it is converted into a coded form called hashing. This makes it very difficult to get the original password, so user data remains secure. In conclusion, functions are a core concept in computer science. They are used in programming, databases, artificial intelligence, and security systems. Understanding functions help us understand how modern technology works. Thank you.